So normally the water does not come up to the road. But last night, or this morning, the tide, so that's the road, and this is where it all came in. It's actually eating away at part of the curb. So usually there is at least another 6 foot of beach that should be here. There's a huge log or something in the water. And then it really is this windy. That's the drain that comes out from the lake. And then usually, I mean, it's the smaller end of the beach, but there's usually something, or about, I don't know, maybe 6 feet of beach between the road and the water. You can even see where it pushed up over the break. But yeah, it's crazy. There's actually as a reference, there's a rock. It shows you where it's supposed to be and all the other